Have you ever noticed pipes, cables, and similar fixtures on the ceilings of shopping malls, large supermarkets, and office buildings? These are often secured using universal brackets like the one shown on the screen. This compact model features two 20-inch perforated tracks, which customers are guaranteed that the installation process will be up to 6 times faster, and there will be no waste, as excess tracks can be neatly tucked in. Depending on the length, the bracket can support up to 441 pounds. Additionally, if you participate in the webinar hosted by the manufacturer, Bracket Solutions, you can receive a free sample. On June 12, 2019, cracks appeared on U.S. Route 36, a highway connecting 2 cities in Colorado. Shortly after, the roadway collapsed entirely. Fortunately, there were no injuries, but the need for repairs became urgent. 2 crucial factors guided the restoration efforts: speed and safety. The experts chose to use EPS, expanded polystyrene, blocks, a lightweight yet durable material that substantially reduced the load on the ground. The project required over 6,100 of these blocks and 2 months of intensive work to complete. In the end, more than 24,000 cubic yards of blocks were used, manufactured across 6 factories. The transportation relied on over 200 trucks, with each block measuring 98 by 48 by 40 inches in size. Unlock the full potential of your excavator with the offerings from a Belgian company specializing in machinery enhancements. Among their innovations is a pipe layer tailored for excavators weighing up to 66,000 pounds. This versatile tool accommodates pipes with a diameter of 12 inches or more. Notably, its clever design allows operators to seamlessly switch from the bucket to the pipelining tool without leaving the comfort of the cab. Equipped with a 4.6 or 6-foot pin and specialized protective pads, it ensures the pipes remain undamaged during operation. If your needs are short-term, you also have the flexibility to rent this tool for temporary use. Dated structures often suffer from inadequate insulation, among other issues. Consequently, even with the heating system operating at maximum capacity, these buildings remain uncomfortably cold. A significant portion, up to 85% of the energy expended, is lost to the exterior environment, resulting in condensation, mold, mildew, and related problems. The solution lies in the utilization of extruded polystyrene foam panels like these. Properly installed, these panels can reduce heat loss by an impressive 43%. Moreover, the panels are versatile and can be painted or wallpapered. They also serve as an ideal remedy for historical buildings due to their minimal thickness, ranging from 0.1 to 0.5 inches, ensuring they occupy very little space. Additionally, their lightweight nature simplifies the processes of transportation, handling, and self-installation. Next up are these retaining walls, which bear a resemblance to Lego Duplo blocks. The manufacturer is confident that in the last 20 years, someone facing a problem similar to yours has likely found a solution using these blocks. Their confidence is well-founded since these blocks have been employed in a variety of applications, including safeguarding railroad tracks, reconstructing bridges, erecting hospitals, and even renovating a stadium. Their specifications are truly impressive, and you can construct walls exceeding 50 feet in height with these blocks. They come in various types suitable for conventional, reinforced, and freestanding walls. The trapezoidal shape of these blocks also simplifies the creation of curved structures. Moreover, the manufacturer provides free software that's widely used by thousands of engineers globally to assist in designing projects using these blocks. Aerogel, developed in 1931, boasts a wide array of applications, spanning from the aerospace industry to construction sites, and it is even utilized in plaster. This remarkable substance substitutes liquid with gas, creating a nanoporous structure. The final product consists of more than 90% air, rendering it remarkably robust and capable of withstanding temperatures ranging from -1832 to -418 degrees Fahrenheit. When integrated into plaster, Aerogel offers an incredibly versatile solution suitable for insulating buildings and revitalizing historical landmarks. Aerogel-infused plaster preserves its ease of manual and mechanical handling. According to the German Institute for Standardization, a mere 0.8-inch thick layer is adequate to achieve the necessary levels of thermal insulation. When installing windows, not everyone considers insulating them from the outside. Spray foam insulation is effective, but it deteriorates over time, which can lead to drafts and heat loss. The solution to this problem is ready-made insulation sills. These sills are easy to install, and you can do it yourself by following a tutorial video and making some basic preparations. You won't need to paint, plaster, or perform other complex operations, as the sills come pre-covered with a protective layer that not only offers a polished appearance, but also prevents cracking and crumbling. However, it's important to note that the lining material can be somewhat brittle, and you may need to replace it every 3 to 5 years, as mentioned by one user. The roofing tile market is substantial, with companies like Brass and Robin serving millions of households worldwide. Instructional videos on topics like tile installation are popular among DIY enthusiasts, providing valuable insights into various home improvement projects. For instance, a Norwegian author's video on tile laying highlights key aspects of the work and forms part of a multi-chapter tutorial on garage construction. User opinions on such videos are often mixed, with some finding them helpful and others identifying errors or preferring alternative methods, depending on their prior experience and the clarity of the instructions. The effectiveness of instructional content varies, depending on individual preferences and project contexts. In this scene, workers are seen laying and filling a flexible fabric sheet with concrete, which is a valuable solution for erosion control in various settings such as near bridge piers, landfills, sewers, drains, and embankments. This technique offers durability and resistance to UV radiation and harsh environmental conditions, while the flexibility of the material allows it to be adapted for underwater applications, ensuring its effectiveness in a wide range of scenarios. Furniture assemblers and kitchen installers, often dealing with tight spaces and intricate components, find this solution indispensable. It comprises fasteners equipped with quick clamping balls, designed for easy use with a screwdriver or drill. The manufacturer claims that this set can increase work efficiency by up to 4-fold, offering various options, including tightening screws, bolts, railing fasteners, and hanger bolts. This system operates on the principle of a reduction drive, which involves altering the tool's rotation angle, concerning the tightening axis to expedite tasks.